Hi guys, this is a new video regarding in-feed video ads, how you can run Google Ads campaign regarding in-feed ads. This is basically the discovery ads. Whenever you search out any of YouTube video and an ad comes into the search, this is called the in-feed video. And second is the skippable video. I have made another video regarding skippable video. This is my own personal experience. I am going to reveal my own ads campaign in this video, and I'm going to I assure you that you need not to have seen any view any of the video after watching this video. So I'm going to explain in detail step-by-step guide regarding in-feed video ads, how you can make a budgeted campaign, and how you can write a simple headline of sale pitch, how you can get more subscriber, billions of impressions, and thousands of subscribers and thousands of views regarding this good campaign. If your video have some worth, you will get very good views regarding this. So you know that everything has its cost, and whenever Google promotes your video, you can say that you are paying some penny to the Google, and he's going to promote you, and once you get promoted, you would get good results. So you can see that the main page is showing right now. You can see that 108K is the total impressions I have got, and I'm going to add some ad groups over here. You can see that I'm going to start my in-feed campaign over here, and I'm going to run my in-feed ads campaign. I'm going to copy my URL of my video, YouTube video. I'm going to promote it right now. I faced some issues also. I will discuss you. I'm going to create without a goal, and I'm selecting video, and I'm going to select video ad in this, and I'm going to select continue with this, and then we will move forward, and it's taking some time. And you can see that you will see that some of my campaigns are not running because I've some experience over it, and I'm going to share with you. I'm going to write the headline of my ad because I'm running so many campaigns, so I can identify my own on my own that I run, how I can identify which one is the campaign. So it's for your convenience. You can write any of the name, and I'm going to write budget over here. It's the daily budget I'm going to mention in this, and I'm assigning 100 rupees over here. You can identify on your own as per your ease. I'm not going to mention end date. I'm going to end it on your own. You can mention end date on your own if you want. That's not a problem, and I'm going to target all countries, and I'm going to mention over here all languages because I'm making this video in English, so everyone would benefit over here. I'm going to mention the inventory type over here, and I'm going to exclude embedded YouTube videos and live stream because infeed ad would not show over here, and expanded inventory I'm going to select over here. So let's move forward, and let's see what we have. You can see that it's a very simple step by step. You can make your targeting broad. So whenever you are going to make your targeting broad, your ad will run good. I am going to uncheck this TV screen because it's not worth it to show the TV on show it on TV screen. I am going to cap my frequency for individuals. My ad would show 2 times per individual. You can see that on right side we have 10 billion plus views. You can impressions. These are the impressions you can see, and it would optimize, and it's a very good tool for Google, and Google can assess that he has a very good power. You can see that all the impressions are showing over here. I'm going to mention the link over here. I'm with the video I'm going to promote. I'm going to select in feed video head over here, and now I'm going to write the headline. And first I would put some bit over here. You can see that if the required bit is 3, you can mention 2. I'm going to mention over here 1. I can change it further. If I have some issues, I can mention 2 or 3 as well, but right now I'm going to mention 1 over here. You can see at a glance that what I have mentioned, and I'm going to complete it First we review it completely, and then we are going to submit it. First we are going to make a headline, a catchy headline right now. This is left and all is done right now, and I'm going to mention a catchy headline right now. First I am showing you at a glance what I have done, and then I am going to mention a catchy headline regarding my video, because it's a learning video tutorial regarding, it's a research software. It would be beneficial for the students, so I am going to keep in mind. And if you are running a business and going to mention the details regarding your ad, you can mention anything. It's 25% off or something like that. You can create some sense of an urgency over here, that sales ends like that, something like that. You can pitch as per your product. So this should not have to be misleading, because if you mention some misleading details over here, Google is so smart that he would restrict your ad and your ads would not show. So keep in mind, you do not mention any at the rate or hash sign, dash sign, something like that. You do not have to mention. You have to mention some keywords over here, and simple keywords over here, and target them, and some create some sense of urgency, and do not show any samples over here, so that your ad would not get restricted. So these are the reasons sometimes ads get restricted. This is my personal experience. I am going to show over here so that you would get benefit out of it. So I am going to write some description, and then I'm going to write the headline of that. You can see that it's the estimation of the Google that 10 billion plus impressions he's going to create. On right side you can see that it's showing, and 650 to 1.7k 1700 views he's going to fetch out of this campaign. And you can see, if your videos has some very good knowledgeable videos, your videos get viral also. Whenever your videos get viral, you will get billions of millions of views. This is the reason. This is how you can promote your videos on your own and get millions and billions of views. Now right now I'm going to select the bit value, and I'm going to submit my campaign and continue to the campaign. You can see that it's already done. You can see that it's already all have been done, and I'm going to conclude my video by mentioning my personal experience. I'm going to show my desktop right now, and I'm going to cover you show you. You can see that sometimes campaign takes 1 to 2 to 8 days. Sometimes it gets because you see that Google is running so many ads, and there are so many people using this Google ads campaign, so it takes time. So if you mention very good details in your and keep it simple, your ad would run good. You can see that this is the video I have promoted. This is first one video. It's quite expensive one for me. This was the skippable video. You can see another video on my channel I have made regarding this, and you can see that I have got very good views, and these are the recent ads I have posted, and they are on pending state right now, and no impressions are coming, but they will fetch impressions. And if they do not fetch impression, you got to have make new video. So guys, hope you all enjoyed my video. Thank you, take care, and subscribe my channel. Take care, goodbye.